Welcome. Ever wondered what goes on high above the city skyline, where giants of steel reach for the clouds? Today, we're stepping into the shoes of a tower crane operator, a profession that's as vital as it is awe-inspiring. It's a world of precision, responsibility, and a unique perspective on the world below. The core of a tower crane operator's daily duty is the precise movement of materials. It requires an incredible amount of focus and spatial awareness.
This is going to be the whole one of the ramp. This one we're going to bring on the ramp. After that, we're going to grab the 2x4. We're going to put it on some rebar over there. I will show you. Just show out about 10 feet more. Coming. A little bit more, about 5. Coming out, hands on chain. Perfect.
You're not just moving an object, you're orchestrating a delicate dance between the crane, the load, and the ground crew. Communication is key. Through radios, operators maintain constant contact with riggers and signal persons on the ground, ensuring that loads are attached securely. And that movements are executed safely and efficiently. Every swing, every lift, every placement is a calculated maneuver. It's a job that demands immense concentration. While wind gusts try to sway your load, the operator must anticipate potential challenges, adjust for environmental factors like wind speed and direction, and maintain a steady hand, or rather, a steady control input. Even under pressure, operating a tower crane is more than just a job, it's a profession that requires a unique blend of technical skill, physical stamina, mental fortitude, and an unwavering commitment to safety. It's about building the future, one precise lift at a time.
We're gonna go on the rebar. Just gonna, on the lower deck, I'm gonna show you what's going there. My hands up. Pitch. Good. Coming down. We're gonna hit the guard pass.
From a perspective few ever get to experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of tower crane operation. If you found this insightful, consider following for more explorations into fascinating profession.